Here you see me aligning my print out to my cutting. I align it really exactly with the cutting mat, just like I see it in the computer. That corner should be in that corner, the other side too, and down there too. It should be perfectly aligned so that you can cut it. And after you stick it on your mat, you will be ready to load it into your cutting machine. So now we are going to cut out our fan. I am feeding it into the machine right now, and I'm going to show you the cut settings that I'm using. For this, I'm going to be using cardstock 65 pounds. And okay, I'm going to send it now. Keep them selected, go to send. And then we're going to choose cut edge. And this is my cut setting. Blade depth 8, passes 2, force 33, and speed on 1. So this is what I'm using for the 65-pound cardstock. And I'm going to send it to my cutting machine. And then it will cut it for me really, really well. Okay. Here it is. It's cut. And look how it comes out. It comes out really well. And now we're going to assemble our graduation fan. Let's go. So here are the pieces, the 2 front pieces and the 2 back pieces that I cut out on my 65-pound cardstock. And these are the popsicle sticks. I got them from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to glue them with this glue. It works really well. Okay. So I will assemble it like this. I will put it like this. Eyeball it to find the middle of it. Just like that. Yeah, just like that. To find the middle of it, like eyeball it right there. And then I will put it down. Okay, lay it down. And then I will put glue on this part of the stick. That is where I'm going to turn it around and put it, you know. And then I'll take a piece of paper and I'm going to spread it over it. Very nice. And then I'm going to turn it around on the paper. See that paper right there? I'll turn the paper around on it. Okay. And I'm going to glue it, like attach it to it. Nice. Very nice. Okay, this is the backing. Now I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to add glue all over it. On the stick, on the paper. I don't put too much because I don't want it to be bulky. Just like that. And I'll take the piece of paper again and I'm going to spread it so that it can lay flat. Okay. Spread it really nice so that it can lay flat right there. And then I'm going to take the front and I'm going to align it on the bottom and then align it at the top. Okay. And then we have our fan. Okay. And I'll let it dry. One thing you can do too, you can print 2 of these of the front with the image and you can paste them back to back. You can glue them back to back. So you don't have the image only on one side, but you have it on both sides. Okay. You can do that too. It will come out really well. To show you like it would be like that. You see? One on one side and one on the other side. Very, very nice. Let me know if you're going to do this because it's a very easy project to do. Very, very easy. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye.